Just gonna hang out here? What is it that you want? Did you want to chat? Or are you just hanging because you love your mama? There's your brother. Why don't you go see him? And Dumpy, go see her. Here she comes. She's getting closer and closer. Are you scared? Don't be scared of her. She's so little. And she can't see you. And she can't hear you. There's no need to be afraid of her. She doesn't bark. She doesn't bite. She's friendly. She eats your food, this we know. You don't like it when she does that, do you? Hi, it's DIY Mom, and many of you have been following our situation or ordeal with Kenai, our Husky, who has a mysterious wound on his head, and we have been battling that since Thanksgiving. He is recovering. He's doing much better, but he had 3 punch biopsies to determine what his wound was all about, whether it was bacterial infection, aerobic or anaerobic infection, if it was a fungal infection, or if it was cancer. We do know that it is not cancer, but has been determined to be a staph infection. So he remains on antibiotics, but I need to remove the stitches. It is time. So here we go, and I will show you exactly how I do that. First thing I'm doing is sterilizing with these wipes, some clippers and some scissors, although it's not going to matter because I'm not going to touch him with these things. But just in case, I want to be extra safe. Come in. Would you like to have your stitches removed? Come on in. Let's take out your stitches. Come. Let me see. Oh, that's a good stretch. Uh-huh. Yes, let's do it. Come in. Come on, little doodles. So, have you seen your sister? Dumpy, you can observe as well if you'd like.
Sit. Thank you. Down. Down.
That
Thank
is a
you.
good
dog.
boy. That's a good boy right there. Let's see your eye. This is a mess right here. Just get this out first. Oh my goodness. So see, here are his stitches. I think he removed one yesterday that was over here by himself. So I'm just looking to see if I see anything, and I do not. But here's the stitch. We're going to remove that. What I'm going to do is hold up the stitch itself and then clip and pull out the other part. Okay, I don't know if you can see what I can see. Pull up on this and clip this tiny part right here. Can you see that, Clem?
Mm-hmm.
And then you pull the rest of it out, and the whole thing comes out. See that? And that stitch is removed. Kenai, you have been so good. What a good boy you are. I just love this dog. Let me see the other one. Can't really see that one very well. Oh, what a good boy you are. Okay, good. There's the loop. Now, it should be able to pull right out. And there's the stitch. Whoops! I just flung it. Right here. So the whole stitch comes out. So the deal is to pull up on the knot when it's in the skin. And then you're going to clip one side or the other side of this loop. And whichever one you do, then the whole rest of the stitch will come out. What a good boy. You are so tolerant, Kenai. That's such a good boy. Good boy! Oh, that's a good boy. I didn't even have to hide your eyes because you're such a good boy. You can do this on your own as well. As long as you have steady hands and maybe some readers, you too can remove your dog's stitches. And it's painless. Thank you for watching. What do you need, Kenai? What do you want? brother. Go get him. How are you? That's what he said. How are you? Go get him, Kenai. Go get him.
Can I get the T-E-T-R-E-A-T?
Yes? So Kenai's eating in peace over here. Guess who's coming around the corner? Little Dumpy. If she pushes him out of the way, oh, good girl, that's your spot. Poof on you. Oh, look what arrived today, Kenai. Manuka Honey from Comfita. What is that? We're going to put some of this on your boo-boo. But before that, I bought you a new toy. You excited? Let's see if you can make it make noise. See. Do you want to play with a toy? I have a little toy for you if you want to play with it, Dumpy. Got you a pink toy. We're the pink princess. Do you want to play with it? Look, it's right here. Okay. What are you doing, big boy? So this little spot's a little bit worrisome to me. This part seems to have healed. But this part where you got your biopsy looks a little bit bad. Do you think? Kenai, do you have something to say about this? Do you want me to just leave you alone on your chair? I don't think so. I think you're just making yourself so cute, so I'll come over here and play with you. This little dog of mine. This little dog of mine. How come you always give me the side eye? What's the side eye about, really? You smell that? That smells good. I need to get some water. That's yesterday's Manuka Honey that's just kind of crunchy and dried up there. I'm going to clean that off. I'll be right back, Kenai. Can you just stay? I'm back. I'm back. That's crunchy. It was bloody the other day. It's not even bloody anymore. Let's just get that honey off your fur. I'm doing it. You don't need to help me. You want to smell it? Close your eyes. That's a good boy. Okay, I'm gonna put some more honey right there on that spot. You know, Kenai, I had a Manuka Honey facial today. I did. Oh, this little dog, this feels good. Oh yes, that's nice. That feels so good. All done. All done. Do you want to lick the rest of it that's on the spoon? Not really. How about my finger? No, that's got fur on it. Okay, can I have some loving? Okay, maybe not. Little one? Just give me a little love.